journey, the journey, the journey, the journey. Meeting Chiani and Niji every Belgium, every baby be a obia, a atom TV so. And it season where they were Belgium, and Ghana for near before a trichin como Eddie Bro, Ghana has a. And Sana Medijumedi and the Bashasha so the Mamma above for Yassi, or more in a muscle machine, and Mitim Dijumedi, a bro baby be a year time here by Miss Charles, malaria dear, where you are any time, Unumbia, William who said why you tested on near Cassa malaria dear, a drawback a time here by Mr. Give us clean care, or so by CC fee na efi enye kama oba ofie ye kama no na also ohu ye kama na chese bibia aye kama empanyefue enemy dima for Herbal Center o se yare ben Dr. Time da so no de oba pe na ode wato times na chese enche kra o yare no nyina ebeko empanyefue ene Nox TV with Adum TV and amedi djumadi ebro all the way from Belgium I mean twa me ho enkwaji aboafo enkrato me ba ye de djumadi en ebahesha so enko bebia.
Let's welcome the Time ladies.
Say you're malaria, but no not to for I'm too so time ever make sure, time ever make sure, time ever make sure, a treat your drum and one day time ever make sure, time ever make onyem ne nneoma no phone timi mfedro bi abofra ondi fiedumie no entimi mfedro ko hospital anasa lab me anya a 3-day mu nhwehwemu ansa na wetimi anomedro yi bi kayo set time no e time ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkrato yi ato.
Hi, darling.
What be a higher fee and intimate to carpet, bro?
Miss Sako can a givers multi-purpose cleaner. And how are you?
Hi, from Papa.
Wow, you should terrazzo and a rubber carpet. Nina, wait me use.
Mammy,
Any
givers multimedia cleaner.
A givers multi-purpose cleaner. Givers liquid detergent. And no nama higher behavior, I'm saying.
Wow. Why you dead?
But I say, you're going. Oh! Don't worry. Give us Rosso na that romantic. What time you better house is here? Give us Rosso. I'm a young to say wine.
It's in a doing.
Give us Rosso with the senior man. And many a crojin. And yan na ewa Ghana ha. Sa wo pedudu etu. Obet me afraid give us clean care. Ewa 0543 222 470.
Yakwaji enkrato aba ene ye di behesha so because ene fia ebe de pa it ene de make us come ho na ye ride together na yenti enkomo bebre ene opanyi a mene ne babetna so the Jenny TV show so ye friend Rebel Ashes a oye Ghana nyumtuni a o Belgium ha obo ne ho modern pa ene ye de ne fa na brabo akwantu no na ye nyina yetimi edisua de papa akwaba
Yeah, be there.
now why Rebel Ashes Rebel dear idea when it ya
Gidi pa.
why that name ade
O say we show biz o say we nya de bia e ba amafo bitimi a ebisa say they be say nti me understanding of Rebel no I think so be at as the same
yeah
obi a find so fighting against
the
system but me who say music no and coffee person just a chin also be in the same
okay
nti me maybe fight as ideology
yeah. Okay.
Me who say your talent all now drive o be episode they call nti eba music na me Rebel.
Oh, okay.
Nti Ashes no to say me wu to say
be wu be yan song
to say nti say you jina pampe basically start
nah Rebel Ashes idea now you were hip life high life gospel and hip side now
me shut down box me home because I think the music energy feeling everybody and
okay
and I do everything but I think say me African now Afrobeat flying into I would want to identify as an Afrobeat artist.
Can we go with something before? I mean,
Okay. The pretty smile make me my girl, my lover. Oh, oh. Girl, you know, no, you freestyle, baba. Man, throw my dream when I me boy. So we see how you when I meet way. What would it do? I'm gonna shoot you freestyle sessions off the head. You get me?
Okay. Meti say only penny be a nyom Ghana. Pacho fire from penny be na ne bonyo.
Okay, normally I would want to put it, but all the same, the cat is out of the bag. We had an opportunity to meet Papa Thomas.
Okay.
So he was in Belgium about a year ago, and I was part of the band as a backing vocalist. So
Oh wow.
we spoke, and we decided to do a song, a beautiful piece actually.
Wow.
So I had to fly to Ghana to go get a video done.
Oh, Tiaba.
No, it's not out. We are almost
now
done.
Going to release. Okay.
We're working on it very soon. It should be out.
Oh wow.
It's expected. Rebel Ashes featuring Pat Thomas, the legendary.
Because me Papa Thomas and you, so when I heard,
Senior
I'm like, now obeti munkakache, just.
How do I say it? A song I think many personal views is a motivation.
Okay.
To the youth into the air can I say Jinyame into the title of the song the Jinyame.
Jinyame.
Vibe near. And the cemetery say Jinyame yo. Adea chiebia. Jinyame yo. Oh. Mo fry be didi, me shebi, ekobi. Jinyame yo. Vibe
But it's very easy to relate to.
Easy, that was the whole point. So because we be
yes.
Also, we be actually na me. Just it me sell the story in a way. We be having to me a exactly. Yes, sir.
Oh wow, that's so nice. Auntie, then now coming up to do music, because it might be even when we come to the entertainment side, yeah. Also the way I knock see, omu try.
Yes.
Obi the no, obi a director, obi a say. I don't know. O say enyomu na obeye. E dey na influence you and dey na call.
Obia would name family name from we say almost everybody is musically active one way or the other.
Okay.
But most of the time na kwe was a Ghana settings that so rely either say about drums and also or tonium and say that type of line. I heard say my granddad used to play in a brass band, so I'm thinking say maybe a honey free, but me to be sure. It's me growing up no, I felt say music was in me. Okay. But it was hard to put it out there. Yeah, she how no man corner. We busiam be alpha man. They say it me gather family see abonting. And that is the drive.
So we busiam, but that's obia in any.
Obia as I omaya across one so lie. Then it ends there. But I feel like talent no.
There was so many people.
Exactly. And anything they decided say music near the better.
Ebinum ba broche no muso ebinum no mo wa ha bi kwa ye wo mo wa ha wo de yete sen
me ba broche na me wo be ya fa say be we high school me be we high school I used to come to my mom in Germany for holidays in
and in school no dey now chire bi
oh there be no normal setting you say Ghana for the on the be year was
but akra wa kwa broche aba
3 months we akutwa aba no na say obu feel say ufiri abroche na be yes you go pass through what just say in real school now, like my mom took me to Germany. He changed the money for Holland Bay 2004, and then since 2011, you're in Belgium.
Oh wow! Yeah. And since 2011 now, what has said?
Belgium, exactly.
Oh, good. I had to say, or Holland and Belgium. What's the scene? I'm to say.
To me, maybe personal opinion, I think Belgium are relaxed, chill.
I see.
Holland.
Wow.
Sana mi huno.
Say,
also Holland, from where I sit in Holland, okay. But a crew man like
okay.
But Belgium should like okay. You should be fine. Most boys have been more Belgium, you don't compare boys have been more Holland now. You can see say
yeah.
Until I heard it, I was like, my member checking here. Until I came. And yeah, this is where we are.
This is where we are. Oh wow, beautiful.
Lucky enough for me, I live close to the border, like 3 minutes now in Holland.
Oh, it's
I still get there. Exactly. Me experience. It's also chilly like it's
your chilly.
It was a chilly one time.
It's chilly Holland. They say baby.
Who did?
I say yeah, you must have more shows, more than that. Ghana, and you say you're phobia. payment and bibisa. I had no saying it here. I had to be a musician, no a cost saying e wo cream.
Being to me cuz some other musicians, but I know say from my part there. Say yeah obi at say be I no very good connect pa make say be a show na man for free. I don't do it because I believe say you match you to reduce.
Yeah, so you're supposed to be paid. Like
exactly. This and just say sure I'm getting paid because we've seen it countless of times. Event organizer and doing they say oh wow. Forgetting say a whole industry. What I say into who position is who organize events, who be position is who produce, who be there so what I say a whole ecosystem. This is where who say platform into me it's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work. Oh, okay. Yeah, for brabo mo aside music, aside other things. In the DMB pa na ujina so aside say ka rebel. As musician no DNA de kayo.
Okay.
Any more for?
Idea about for the name pa say me vibe me a positive minded guy.
Oh,
but me a low key too. It is a wouldn't me be feeling so rebel there. But whoever connects with me will tell you. Because me only say Bibi Anka sana connect. Say me share ne click ya click.
Yeah.
You meet me a force say click but we both know say that. What does it? And it should be positive energy all the time. My vibe no.
Okay.
Aside that to Messiah we produce this YouTube skits at Abena with Papa Kumasi.
And how is it?
Yeah, for me it's doing well.
It's doing well.
Ejuma TV, that's my channel. You should
Ejuma
check it.
TV. Guys, check it out. Ejuma TV on YouTube. Oh, good, great.
Yes, there'll be a new content.
And let me check it.
Also check
it out.
Also check it.
Yeah, Ejuma. Oh, nice. And you say, oh yeah, fully entertainment.
Exactly.
So how is the future like? Saying that is it that you play music full time or you do productions, movies? Like how is the future like? Because entertainment in the a song, a hint, and our person focusing on
music. Ya dark rather kasi standard. But I also don't think say a limit here. Say
just music.
Okay. As time goes on, there are always a creative space now. There are always new ideas. And whatever comes now, if we can do it, maybe exactly.
No more any come. Okay. Ujeni no saying a unyini ebepim now. How is your journey like?
So my journey.
I said you come in for 3 months, visit going back. Say now,
I'm not gonna lie. Say I went through it. Said the agrophobic. I quickly she will be academy.
Yeah.
But I also believe that everybody has struggles in life. Ubia who say na what no crowd also ubia often. Me, I didn't have it like that. What I didn't have is I grew up without my father, so I never knew my dad. And my mom was why I knew when she traveled. So I was like from family to family.
Nana to nana. Okay.
And I had a big disconnect with my mom until I finally came to Europe and then we connected.
To understand her.
Exactly. And then no cry and check the journey for your question Holland.
Okay.
I still visit my mom like every year. Like standard, I go to Germany. Like a must, I have to.
It's a Holland and
It's a Holland no. From where I said Europe right now, no, this part of Europe needed to be Holland guy.
Oh, okay.
Like the mindset of the people cry. And now, who's a Holland for? They are exposed to black people like generations back.
And you have
Suriname for, Antillean for, you Ghanaian. Then a Ghanaian cry in your first generation. There's been Ghanaians before us.
Okay.
Who fit it in proper. I remember when I was in school in Germany, like my whole school had any but my Holland, I see the opposite. What I say, I feel at home.
Okay, so Holland is the age.
So, to me,
yeah. About personal, what worry?
No worry.
What's your
no mommy and sir. 2 boys and a girl.
Oh wow.
Yes, ma'am.
So how is our career in Europe? Because here you it's a TikTok in Yemen.
True.
You who the echo.
True.
Say now the from our real Europe bankasa.
Me who say our regardless of where you are, either Europe or Ghana, nipa be no my emergency be live together. Obi an share me by force. And say bo feel say mo ntinya mama worry. You just say.
Oh, sir.
Sada me hu no. I
no. That's a Uber free.
Then I said one was lying. No obi dada back what I say but say we now we genuine enough now feel say nipa we minimum like this.
Yeah, so
the negative side ni but I can still live with it. We also be our negative side and positive side.
Yeah, I think you said something very important because you're checking negative.
Exactly.
Ella de bia no checking positive.
Exactly.
When negative never pena.
Exactly.
I hear too much for you to bear.
Because we be our the limit. I give you how we be here between say I cannot live with it.
Yeah.
So baby because say be your baby on I mean to me live. Baby so okay with it. Until who partner be access say
when I'm a
I can be okay with this. Until who cast you should know say it's for life. Obi a show set for life though, but that's the concept of marriage.
Our real say ye di home komo. Na positive no, na negative no be positive so I still well sort na.
Say another choice never say we make it before say we remember. Also, you don't just get up and marry in a day.
There are people that they can hide for
exactly. That's about
that's what because heck, I want to bury an obituary. Meaning so I will show TV and they use the pa. You know your home encourage abroad from crowds where you buy. You the rebel better come on so and cover be.
Mensenye dia nanka malaria ya me pasa. I don't to be mommy.
No, mommy.
Menya drew.
Oh, yeah.
Your friend in your dear herbal mixture. And your malaria drop papa. So, what hospital? No, who said malaria more when it be moja one. Copenia dear herbal mixture. But so malaria now. When no more to Nyanya dear herbal mixture. When no bayo come and will be did. The bottom,
Mammy.
See what worries you.
Yeah.
No, be sure. Mammy.
Na mami, back open now the man.
Rebel shop do name. Sabekebi.
Me the bed shia warrior na nkasa. Nye dia herbal mixture.
Dia ye dro.
Ebusiafo mami kan yampa. Hwederi a mekuno wo si bi hwie aduane no. Hwehwe nye dia herbal mixture. Na wanom ede amame. Abofra wonni mfie dumie no ana opemfo entumi mfa se edure. Nye dia herbal mixture.
Bro.
Aduane.
Obenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to na mu.
FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom.
Emri bi atwam apomuden hu nsem agi ensem ho emma osuru yedin masase itiawre ho enti onyankopon nam da esum da enua eni habama ebeji adasama enkwa ekire adujamfi okumanini barima enu akire no adujamfi esa kotra kwayem ededuanan agwamfa nsuo ankana no menu mienu apomuden panti wenti enigisem onyankopon de yare nyina so tumi ahye Dr. Tamda sonsa gise di wawuo anase yesie no koa ene wontimi na yare sabia hode wasiesie ho kama enti faka krabi baje wa yare sa e wo medimafo heba hospital frayen 0244 774 282
oyarefo bia kai se udimafo eye medimafo heba hospital Dr. Tamda sonsa
Invitiasia no menene kunu eware wo odro hwie kwan so ya ware na chi no mene kwacho ba hotel pa pebi say ye besepeyo what a team for so crown na maye
bibia onyankopon sem
ekoba ne san me kunu antena se
edro botum waje eye edek sm bitters
Wah. Eni gia befi. We na me de yem Bible. Edek SM bitters. Timasema mame.
Sa wa warrior mu enije bewie wo paya
Na ye kamfo Edek SM bitters.
Mrs. wa oye mi yo nyina monome no okọ one time Edek SM bitters we dia sama
Hey, oba wa fa yefunu ene oba oma ne ba enufu enumbi wo ye bema na wonya 18 na untumi enum FDA agi edwadie nkatoi atu
Yakoji enkrato aba oguswa hede journey ewo Adum TV na me catch us a season way there all the way from Belgium and in Ghana this year etwetwe nkomo ewo dwumadi so and a mini musician our Belgium and a church come Rebel Ashes. Hey, Edini. And no dear fan of Brabo content. So over Belgium had any will be able any Holland dear, Miss Rowe. I am much checking on social media. You didn't handles Nina, but also now yet me support. You normally adore for a work consume. No more to me, your dreams, no. As I am but why any baby are ain't yet one common so. Before I yako J and Kratono, na ye kasafa pride ni and near Mahu. It will be so trust and no any timidity our Rijayeba. It's young working on.
Men can say don't come, but one of the major factors.
Major factors, okay.
Because we be how I find say, our partner no abuse you. They different come all together.
Yeah,
but
that one it can be solved.
What I say, but most of the time, only a man for doing come out. Who say I nye adi who be
okay, what's it?
Because next person now you are not guaranteed to also.
Of course.
What I say, but I better say, oh, I have enough. Until then. There's nothing I can see but ego. And it's how cases no say ego na. But I can't any person better than once.
Okay.
Oh, Sana me hono.
Okay, Sana uhuno. And che did you make the ebequary ye? Or Europe and now like you want to pursue your dreams. Obu uncle ba has said you made it. I was see or tiguma not tigum. Say obi were outside and your Ghana. Now our dream be was say on so but on shedenya vim no because you be na ye de mo ye yo ebinim wo talent ne pa boy say eh e de na nkofo beka me koye koye yi me de misika ko she me be hye ase ye dream sa niam no hunti e ka ye nsha e de na beka chere ni pa no
Sally Pat beka chere say Rome was not built in a day and see ade bia wo pese we bia say wo gidi pa say wakoma de chere a being who reason why I was a wujai because omona woni mu omona wo say huge now show none of them started on a big platform free grounds.
Yeah.
And they say GD say wakuma di echi nkwa there. Me give up. Go for it ebefa.
Go for it ebefa. Oh nice. Answer na obekọ no de Jennifer ye wade ye wa hasei. Eti mi wi an mama the handles ni nyina ato ama me. Eti bacho yi ba ko emame.
I go for this one.
Why the small one?
Any reason? Big small things come in big. Almost say the big things come in small packages.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. The journey first made me say, why Europe, not Ghana? Why here?
I don't think so. If I'm supposed to choose right now, I would choose Europe.
Why? Let's go.
I would. Let's not lie to ourselves. Profopi ba Europa. Omo dream destinations are Ghana.
Yeah.
And see, for me, I feel like Europe systems been a year juma. But free mind no Ghana. Because if the land Ghana is here like me who have me feel comfortable like
so who
said what I say exactly.
Okay.
But say I say every day let us be about and let us that's why bills and you have to make sure say you are doing something to make money to go and pay something.
Yeah.
Do you even need that thing? Probably not. Maybe you your tax every month. Standard and they also but with your insurance every month. How many times now by yari?
It's true.
And you wait you the whole year no one yari the whole year. Maybe what you have 50 years no yari back no more the amount back. These are the systems that white people are using.
Yeah.
Tax and systems and the banks. What does it? For we see capital bank.
Ade ba ko car uti be kwaje say wo credit yan kwa Ghana so de ekwa no ko.
What does it? Ghana obi kita ade na won say na de ankasa.
Yeah, yeah.
And no maybe nchichiri too much. But how say me who say no maybe be chichiri out anya better. Even though if you play your cards well so I will with me maneuver all right but and yes, simple. So I said the way we
say you say you don't abusianko ko aba no. Ti yanyiri ye ho wo ha ne bia ne ha.
Sada me hu no, but the point is also be a situation is different. Say uni hwe eye wo Ghana, e bia like what tribe bia mfana abuchiro da wa you can try. E bia e be farmer.
Okay.
So almost say crudos one yent na va konje but say who be bia solid, who say it's generating money now. See which our
okay.
I will not advise you to do that.
Okay, you will not advise. Yeah, that's so. By answer now, because all social media handles are you beating me and reach it to you.
So social media, there will be a Rebel Ashes.
Rebel Ashes.
REBBELASHES.
Okay.
The would be REBBELASHES.
Okay.
Or check everything will be Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram.
Everywhere.
Baby.
And then all can say with YouTube when you see a day.
YouTube the official Rebel Ashes.
Official Rebel.
Yes.
All country back be.
So
back be a short skate.
Oh yeah, you know see Ejuma TV.
Ejuma TV.
ADWMA TV.
Ejuma TV.
Yes, Ejuma TV.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. So by na the journey there. Yeah, what dia ye oba so ya ma flower. You say ma hampers so. Any kilos amber. It's if I change what.
Thank you for having me still.
What doing there?
We dey say few Ghana straight to the heart.
Okay, it's the journey for say Ghana still ye here monte ya na mo befie and then we have frame now so kofia now they are boho. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me too.
Thank you.
Nice blessings.
Menim say wo fie wani agi me so many agi and you see ade pa ye ni Ghana this year Rebel Ashes or a musician e wo Belgium and ye ni twetwe nkomo this season baby bia o bia me dawasi na what you be adru ya de journey na say baby bia shishi obia edin TV no to Adom TV na Abena Ghana and in a dofwa ebaso. And this season, dear, you go so I Europe near the more air from Yakase. Just say, the Mubako baby, Momo dear Coso, and will be a see afanina. Meda boafwa, Maso Massing, Nana what you be a between the Jumadi Ebro Afe Nox TV. Now, Miss Shall say, a lemfi no, or download it. Na use code no code in India make us a fair Adom TV as say and the Krama Entertainment. So man so ya e ba Europe maimu na ye call bia any out of 4 any enuanom etwetwenko bokai say na what you be a Friday about 11:30 or deal TV no better Adom TV now we the Jenny TV show. We are here to inspire, motivate and educate into all the time bia ye de nkomo foforo and April midi e de Abena Ghana abuno for egudi break this year. I send back on a debut make a trom, senior me woman, ebe mackerel.
The journey.